Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's day 25 of the national lockdown. We now have 124 new COVID-19 cases and 2 more deaths. This brings the total to 3,158 positive cases, while the death toll has risen to 54. The total number of people tested is now over 114,000. Remember, as more tests are done, we'll have a better idea of the true spread of the virus and possibly a better sense of what will happen with the lockdown. At this point, South Africa has the most confirmed infections on the continent, registering an average daily infection rate of 90 to 95 cases. Cabinet is expected to meet again today to work on its socio-economic recovery plan. Many people have been left without food. More small businesses are closing, and the economy is heading into a deep recession. Government's recovery plan is aimed at getting the country back on its feet amid the pandemic. Meanwhile, a mass retrenchment plan by SAA's business practitioners has been rejected by NUMSA and the SA Cabin Crew Association. It's been recommended that 4,700 workers be retrenched by the end of this month. If this proposal gets the green light, the airline will have to sell off its assets in order to pay off its debts. 7 more cases of COVID-19 have been discovered at Netcare St. Augustine's Hospital in KwaZulu-Natal. This means there are now 83 reported cases at Netcare facilities in eThekwini. Investigation teams have been sent to St. Augustine's as well as the Kingsway Hospital to look into possible negligence. The KwaZulu-Natal provincial government has also announced that it will do away with the practice of self-isolation at home. This means that as from Sunday, all patients who have tested positive for COVID-19 will be quarantined at state-identified facilities. So far, KZN has the highest number of deaths in the country. Taking a wider look at the pandemic, more than 2.6 million people have been infected around the world. Zimbabwe has extended its lockdown by another 2 weeks, while Israel is the latest country to relax its lockdown rules, with government wanting more businesses to open. In the US, protesters took to the streets this weekend demanding lockdowns to be lifted. President Donald Trump is in favor of restrictions being eased, but he's left it to state governors to decide. For this and more on the pandemic, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.